Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 10mm LED connectors is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked components in any LED strip lighting project. Choosing the right connector ensures a seamless, reliable, and safe connection, preventing issues like loose wires, short circuits, and inconsistent lighting. This video will dive into the top 10mm LED connectors available, helping you find the perfect fit for your project, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner. Number 5. LED Strip Connector Kit. This kit makes connecting LED strips a breeze. It's perfect for DIY projects and offers a variety of connectors for different needs. It features tin-plated copper wires with durable PVC insulation. You can easily bend it to any shape you need. Installation is simple and tool-free, no soldering required. Just plug and play for a quick setup. This kit is perfect for connecting LED strips to controllers, splitters, or other strips. It's incredibly versatile. You get a wide variety of connectors, jumpers, gapless connectors, L-shaped connectors, T-shaped connectors, splitters, and more. Everything you need is here. It supports 0-4A current and 0-24V voltage input, with heat resistance from 20 to 100 degrees. It's designed for reliable performance. What we like. This kit has all the parts you need for any LED strip project. It's incredibly easy to use, just plug and play. If you're tackling a large-scale project or need a variety of connection options, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit is so easy to use. The hardest part one had was remembering to peel back the tape before sliding in the strip. This makes cutting the LED to lengths easy. Number 4. LightingWill LED Strip Connectors. These connectors are designed for quick and easy installation of your LED strips. No soldering required. Simply snap these connectors onto your LED strips, it's that easy. Perfect for DIY projects and professional installations. They're compatible with 10mm wide single-color LED strips, both waterproof and non-waterproof. Make sure to peel off the silicone first. It can handle up to 4 amps of current and 0 to 24 volts. They're also heat-resistant up to 100 degrees Celsius. You'll receive 10 connectors in each pack, providing ample connectors for your LED strip lighting projects. Get started today. These connectors make installing LED strip lights a breeze. Upgrade your lighting with ease. What we like. It's a simple, reliable connector perfect for single-color LED strips. Installation is a snap, and it's very cost-effective. If you need a basic, budget-friendly solution, this is it. What people say. Works great. LightingWill 10 PCS pack strip wire solderless snap-down 2-conductor LED strip connector for 10mm wide 50-50-56-30 single-color flex LED strips. This is an excellent product for connecting to single-color LED light strips. You will want to use shrink wrap or electrical tape to secure the end of the LED light strip so that it does not come off. This product is very easy to use and works very well. This was recommended to me to use when building 3D printed light boxes. It's work as it should and is easy to handle. I will note that the clip does have a very snug fit. Number 3. Mutter 95 pieces LED strip connectors. This versatile set makes connecting your LED light strips a breeze. It's perfect for various projects and lighting needs. These connectors can handle up to 4 amps and voltages from 0-24V. They're built to last, even in varying temperatures. The included PCB boards are cuttable, allowing you to create T, L, or X shapes to perfectly fit your design. Unleash your creativity. Simply slide the LED strip into the connector. No tools are needed, making installation quick and simple. Use them for corner connections, decorating for holidays, or any DIY project. They're perfect for adding ambience to any space. The set includes 40 connectors, various shaped PCB boards, and screw clips, providing everything you need for your project. What we like. This kit gives you tons of options for creating custom LED light designs. The cuttable PCB boards let you get creative with your connections. If you enjoy DIY projects and want maximum flexibility, this is the kit for you. What people say. I used these clips and splitters to help construct group Halloween costumes involving LED light strings, the 20-foot battery-operated strings from Head & Shine. There are plenty of splitters and clips in this set, just enough for me to make all the needed connections for 6 costumes. Bought a few different manufacturers for reference. Almost every T only functional in 2 legs. I swapped lights to the point that I am sure it is these connections. Sadly, I had to return this item due to not realizing I had 8mm LEDs instead of 10mm, but the quality of the pieces was amazing. Number 2. FZ5050 LED Strip Connector. These connectors make adding LED strips quick and easy. They're perfect for DIY projects and professional installations. Simply cut the strip, attach this connector, and bend the wires to the desired angle. It's that simple. It ensures a reliable connection between your LED strips, providing a consistent and bright light output. Designed to fit 5050 LED chips with a 10mm width and 2-pin design. It's the perfect solution for your LED strip needs. With a wire length of 14 cm and a jumper length of 17 cm, it offers flexibility for various applications. Get yours today. This pack includes 10 connectors, giving you plenty for multiple projects. Save time and money with this convenient bulk pack. What we like. This connector is super easy to use and install. It's perfect for quick, simple connections between LED strips. If you value ease of use and a straightforward solution, this is a great option. What people say. These LED strip connectors make installations a piece of cake. Soldering is the gold standard for any electrical connection, but time and the difficulty of my install made me give these a shot. The install was under my kitchen cabinets. After the install, I thought, well, after all that work, and if one of these connectors failed, I'd have to backtrack and trace the short. My worries were for naught though, as that was over 3 years ago and my under cabinet LEDs are still going strong. The clips work perfectly and grip tight. I used a few of these to replace the ones I got with the LED kit I bought elsewhere. The ones with the kit were faulty, causing flickering. These worked perfectly. No more flicker. Number 1. BTF Lighting FCOB Connector Kit. This kit makes connecting your FCOB LED strips quick and easy. It's perfect for extending, splicing, or creating corner connections. You'll receive 14 transparent connectors and 5 convenient 15 cm extension wires. Everything you need for a seamless installation. These connectors allow you to easily join LED strips to other strips, wires, or power supplies. No soldering is required. The transparent design ensures that it won't obstruct your LED light. The secure clips provide a firm and reliable connection. Extend your FCOB strip lights, create corner connections, or connect directly to a power supply. It's that versatile. Remember, this connector is disposable, and the LED strip must be broken to remove it. Also, ensure compatibility with your 10mm FCOB strip lights and specified 2-pin wire. This kit offers high quality at a great price. Enjoy a professional-looking installation with ease. What we like. It offers a clean, seamless connection that's barely noticeable. It's perfect for maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. If you prioritize aesthetics and a clean finish, this is for you. What people say. These strip LED connecting blocks were very useful in creating the lighting scheme in my coach RV. They were easy to use and a good value for the money. With these connectors I was able to cut the original strips and the wiring, and make new connections anywhere I needed them. I was even able to cut the pins off the end of the COB strips and insert the short stub with the pins into one of these connectors to make a new male or female pin connector on the end of a wire. Cut your strips at the desired splice points, insert into connector, pay attention to polarity, then squeeze down on the metal strips using a pair of needle nose pliers. Done. Yes, it really is that easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.